the universe expanded just slightly faster, atoms would never form. If it expanded slightly slower, everything would collapse back into nothing. This balance is so precise. Physicists say it is like hitting a target the size of an atom from across the observable universe. And here's the disturbing part. When Einstein discovered the universe had a beginning, he tried to erase it. Why? Because a beginning changes everything. And 1400 years before telescopes, a Quran verse described that beginning, not as metaphor, but as something shockingly precise. And what it describes should not have been known. So now, here's the question that changed science forever. How did the universe begin? Perfectly balanced. In 1929, a quiet astronomer, his name was Edwin Hubble, looked through the telescope and saw something impossible. Galaxies were not static, they were moving away. The farther they were, the faster they moved. This is known as Hubble's law. The universe was not eternal and static, it was expanding, which meant, rewind the clock, everything was once one, but that was not even the biggest shock. Many years before, a physicist named Alexander Friedman solved equations from Einstein's relativity. His equations showed something terrifying. A static universe was impossible. It must either expand or collapse. Then came George Lemaitre. He proposed the universe started from a primeval atom, a single dense origin, not chaos, not randomness, a beginning. But scientists resisted the idea until something was discovered that changed everything. In 1965, two radio engineers accidentally detected a faint microwave signal coming from every direction of the universe. They thought it was noise. It wasn't. It was the afterglow of the beginning, the cosmic microwave background radiation. It was the proof the universe had once been unimaginably hot and dense. Later in 1990, NASA's Cosmic Background Explorer satellite mapped tiny temperature variations in that radiation. Tiny ripples. Those ripples became galaxies. Without them, nothing would form. And here's the impossible part. After the beginning, the universe expanded and cooled. In the first seconds, only energy existed. Then subatomic particles formed, protons, neutrons, minutes later, hydrogen, helium and lithium, nothing heavier, for hundreds of millions of years, darkness. Then gravity, helped by invisible dark matter, pulled hydrogen together. Stars ignited. Inside stars, heavier elements formed, carbon, oxygen, iron, the atoms in your body, forged in stellar furnaces. If expansion had differed slightly, atoms would never stabilize, stars would never ignite, life would never exist, statistically near zero. But here's something stunning and older than all of this. Listen carefully. Quran says, do not those who disbelieve see that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, then we split them apart. A joined entity, then separated. No telescopes, no equations, no satellites. Yet it accurately describes unity, then expansion. And the Quran doesn't stop there. It also says we are expanding it. Expanding, Mudhariya, present tense. But here's what most people don't know. The same equations that predict expansion also predict an ending, a possible reversal, a collapse back into unity. The universe began as one. It may end as one. So the real question isn't just how did it begin? It is this: if the beginning was written, was the end also? Comment below. Thanks for watching.